think I figured out what I'm gonna do. So I'm still gonna use a cheap eBay manifold. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna get the Treadstone. So how I plan to make this work, I found a turbo that's gonna mount up to the Treadstone downpipe. Things may not line up correctly, and I'm thinking that that'll probably be an easy modification to do, I hope. And I can just take it over to a shop and have them fix what I need. I'll bring the whole assembly with the turbo, the wastegate, and then just have them fix that. Where the downpipe connects to the rest of my exhaust, I was going to take that to a shop anyway to get a flange made because I don't have a flange in the position that it normally ends in. Back to prepping this thing. What I did is I just used some carb cleaner, or MAF cleaner actually I think I used, and just sprayed it all down to get all the oils and stuff off. I taped up the inlets. I don't care if I get paint on this flange because I'm going to be sanding that. Alright, I am using aluminum color, high heat, Rust-Oleum. There's an exhaust manifold picture, so I guess it'll be good. I didn't read the instructions. Who does? I don't have time for that. Oh, this lays on thick. I was not expecting that. Alright, so paint's dry. We'll go ahead and take this off. So I'm just using a regular sanding block from Harbor Freight and just kind of strip a sandpaper off. So I think the trick for this is going to be consistent passes. So probably this way would be best so I have full coverage going across. That's not going to work. We're going to insert the studs onto the manifold, and we're going to bolt the turbo to the manifold. This is what they came in. I'm going to change these nuts into copper crimp nuts when I can get a set. But for now, this is just for test fitting purposes. And when we get ready to do the entire thing, we'll take everything back apart, install it properly with all the gaskets and that sort of thing. Alright, let's move this guy out of the way. Okay, and my solution for this is sanded pretty far, so we got some little dimples and real light scratches still. But I think I sanded enough where if we use some of that copper spray gasket stuff, should fill all that in. And so my concern is if I keep sanding it, I might actually end up warping it and make things worse. I'm not sure if this is the same thread on both sides. It kind of looks like it is. Let's turn those in. I'll check what I'm doing yet. Maybe some hot items too. Alright. Let's move this way. And we are going to set the turbo on. That's what we need to do. That looks pretty easy.